Let me ask you this. What if I told you that right now, people are creating YouTube channels without ever showing their face, and they're making more than they ever did at a 9-to-5 job? Sounds wild, right? But here's the thing, it's real. Some of these channels barely even have 20 videos, yet they're pulling in thousands of subscribers, millions of views, and a steady stream of ad revenue. And the best part, you don't need a fancy setup. You don't even need to talk on camera. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step using free tools and AI. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll see how you could start building a channel like this yourself. Now, let me actually show you some proof. Take a look at a channel called Meld. He only uploaded around 3 videos. And guess what? He's already sitting at 17,000 subscribers. That's insane growth for such a small amount of content. And then there's Channel 2. They've uploaded just 92 videos and have got almost 3.9 million subs. It's so amazing, right? But the editing is super simple. AI voiceovers, stock footage, and some creative visuals. Nothing crazy. Yet people love it, and they keep coming back for more. These are just regular people who figured out how to use AI to do the heavy lifting for them. And honestly, if they can do I, why not you? You've got access to the same tools. You don't need to be a pro editor, and you definitely don't need to spend money on gear. That's the beauty of this whole system. So here's what we're gonna do. I'll walk you through the entire blueprint, from finding topics that actually get views, to writing scripts with AI, creating voiceovers that sound natural, putting together visuals that look professional, and editing it all into a polished video. Alright, let's not waste any time and dive straight into the video creation process. Now, if you take a close look at the titles of their videos, it becomes immediately clear that this is a documentary-style channel, and that's exactly one of the main reasons behind their rapid growth. Because nowadays audiences absolutely love watching documentary videos, so whenever they come across videos like these, they don't hesitate for a second. They click right away. And as these videos provide both entertainment and knowledge, people rarely leave without subscribing to the channel, which makes this niche extremely valuable to start a channel in, especially at this point in time. So, let's move forward with the video creation process. The first thing you need to do is decide what topic you want to make a video on. My suggestion for you is that choosing a unique topic significantly increases your chances of going viral, because if you make videos on topics that already exist, there's a high chance that your audience has already watched similar videos on other channels, and if that's the case, they may not feel the need to watch your video again. So pick a topic that is truly unique. If you're struggling with topic selection, the best approach is to use ChatGPT to research ideas. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, go to ChatGPT and type in, "Analyze these channels." Then paste the links of the channels whose style or content you want to emulate and hit enter. After that, provide ChatGPT with screenshots of the videos on those channels and tell it, "These are all the topics covered by these channels. Now give me the 10 best and most viral topic ideas I could create." And just like that, ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 highly engaging and potentially viral topic ideas for you. Alright, the topic selection process is done. Now comes the script generation part. Here, you don't need to worry about holding a pen and writing the whole script yourself, because ChatGPT will take care of that process. Go back to ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. Write me a powerful cinematic documentary-style script designed for YouTube that unfolds as one seamless narrative. The story should feel immersive and emotionally gripping, written in a way that paints vivid pictures in the audience's mind and carries them through the journey without breaks, sections, or bullet points. Use rich, descriptive language that creates atmosphere, builds tension, and keeps the flow continuous, almost like watching a film through words. The goal is to craft a viral-style YouTube documentary script that feels alive, visual, and emotionally charged. After this, copy and paste the topic idea you have chosen from the 10 ideas provided by ChatGPT, and then press enter. ChatGPT will give you the most amazing script for your topic. Okay, the script generation process is also completed. Now we will have to generate the audio, and for that, I will be using 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs and sign up with your account. ElevenLabs also gives you free credits, which you can use to generate the audio of your script for free. Once you are inside ElevenLabs, go to the Voices option and explore the different voices available there. Choose whichever voice you feel is most suitable for your documentary. After that, go to the Text-to-Voice section, paste your script there, and press the Generate button. In just a little while, your audio will be ready and fully generated. Okay, now even the voice generation part has been completed. Now comes the main and most important part, 3D image generation. Okay, so let me teach you how to create this amazing and unique 3D style graphic. First of all, copy this prompt and then go to ChatGPT and paste it there. ChatGPT will generate image prompts for you. If you guys want all of these prompts, then give this video 50 likes and I will share that prompt with you. Okay, now we have the image prompts with us, so let's go ahead and generate them using Leonardo AI. Now go to Leonardo AI, from there select the image option and then choose the 16:9 ratio, and then paste the prompt one by one, and here we go, the image is also ready. Okay, now to bring those images to life, we are gonna give those AI-generated images some motion so that they keep the viewers hooked. For motion generation process, I would like to go with Leonardo AI itself, because Leonardo AI is not only good at generating images but also good at videos. But in your case, you can use any tool that you feel comfortable with. Just give some simple prompts to give the images motion, and then your images will now be converted into video. Once everything is perfect, we will have to move to the last and important part, which is editing. I'm going to use CapCut for this. Open CapCut, import all your materials, and then drag the voiceover to the timeline. And without wasting any time, start the editing process. Also drag all the images and videos to the timeline in a sequence. Adjust them according to the voiceover, and then play the video. If everything looks fine, then start giving them some effects. Add fade-in effect and fade-out effect to the clips. When everything is done, export the video in 1080p resolution. Let's watch the final video. But before that, do like and subscribe to the channel, as we have put a lot of efforts in the video.
In the heart of a bustling city, surrounded by glass towers that stretch like sharpened blades into the sky, there is a building that looks almost ordinary from the outside. Its walls are dressed in stone, its doors thick with polished steel, but behind those doors lies one of the most impenetrable fortresses humanity has ever created. A bank built on secrecy, on silence, on the unshakable promise that nothing inside will ever escape without permission. Security cameras blink like unblinking eyes, guards move with the precision of soldiers, and every inch of the building seems to whisper the same message. Nothing gets in, and nothing gets out. The thieves came. They were not reckless. They were not loud. They moved like ghosts through the shadows of the bank's design flaws, exploiting cracks so small, most believed they didn't even exist. Where brute force would have failed, patience and precision became their greatest weapons. As the thieves moved deeper, the city above carried on as though nothing was happening. Cars honked, lights flickered in apartment windows, a late-night train rattled across its tracks, but beneath it all, in a silent chamber carved out like the heart of the earth itself, history was being rewritten. The vault door, a giant that weighed more than a jetliner, stood waiting. And when it opened, not by force, but by calculation, it wasn't an explosion of chaos, but a slow, deliberate exhale, as if even the vault itself had surrendered to the brilliance of their plan. Inside were rows upon rows of safety deposit boxes, shelves heavy with currency, bullion, bonds, secrets worth more than gold.